My name is Russell Cragg from a company called Metalite at Brookvale, Sydney. We've been in this industry for 50 years, but today we're going to do a review on a scooter, and the scooter we're going to do today is the Celebrity X, which is the one I have here. This is a fantastic scooter. It's a mid-size scooter, has many good features, and I'll just go through a few of them for you. We have a rotating seat, so very easy to get it on and off. You can swivel it around for the driving position. The seat can also be moved forward or back. And we also have a tilting column on the steering, so you can adjust it to any angle you want. Now, one of the main features of this scooter, it has excellent electronics inside. The wiring is very good. Everything, all the connections, the way the batteries wire into the scooter, all the bits and pieces are very good. It's a reliable scooter. We have very few problems with this type of scooter. Most of the scooters now come in from China, and there's varying qualities. This one is one of the excellent ones. There's a few others too, but this one is very good. Like I said, this is a mid-size scooter. It's suitable for going into the shops, down the aisleways of, say, Woolworths or things like that. It's not a big scooter. It's, like I say, it's a mid-size, just perfect for the shops. You can take this scooter apart also. You can put it in the boot of a car, into a station wagon, or into a boot if you have a large boot. It breaks down into about 5 or 6 different pieces, but it still requires 2 people to lift the various bits and pieces into the car. Like all scooters, very easy to drive. The steering is just like a bicycle. You can go forward, you can go back. You can hear sometimes, you might be able to hear that clicking noise. That's brakes automatically coming onto the scooter. So if you're on a hill, the scooter won't roll. You let go of the throttle and it'll just stop where it is. The other good feature is this one, it has lights on the front. So if you're going out at night time, you can just turn the lights on to see where you're going. It also shows other people that you're on the road or on the footpath. So they're probably the main features of the scooter, but what I'll show you now is how the scooter takes apart, and you can put it into the car, and I can show you the quality fittings of the scooters, like the bearings, the wheels, how it's all assembled, and like I say, the main thing is with the electronics. They're excellent electronics. So with the scooter, very easy to get the seat off. You just lift it straight up. That just pulls straight away. You can take the rear cover off. It just lifts straight up. Now, all scooters, doesn't matter what brand, have 2 batteries inside. Some scooters you can take right apart, like this one you can, some you can't. Now, the big advantage of taking this one apart is you can actually get it into a car. The larger scooter, like the Pathrider XL, again uses the same electronics, very reliable, everything like that, but you can't take it apart. But this scooter is just perfect. Like I say, this would probably be our biggest seller as far as it suits most people. As you can see, I've just taken it out of gear, which is easily done by a little release lever here. Now to actually take it apart, very easy. All you have to do, undo the restraining straps, undo the battery leads. The batteries just pull out like that. See, there's a sealed gel battery that we've got in this scooter. Maintenance free, you don't need to worry about putting water in or dropping acid on the floor. And they last somewhere between 1 and 3 years before they need replacing. So I've taken the batteries out, as you can see. The scooter's still too heavy to lift up in one piece, so what we can do now, we can separate the scooter from the front to the back. So this is easily done. Just by lifting that up. As you can see now, we've got the scooter in 2 halves. As you can see, that is quite manageable, but it's still reasonably heavy. So 2 people is probably the safest way to lift that up. with the front part, let's take the basket off. The tiller you can drop right down. So as you can see, the scooter comes apart in about 5-6 pieces, quite manageable, very easy to put into the car. The electronics, like I say, quality electronics, very good wiring, perfect plugs. These are an excellent scooter, and they do suit many people. So I think that's probably about it on the Celebrity. I think very good scooter, very good.
And what rating would you give it out of 10, Russell?
Rating out of 10, I'd say probably, depending on the person's circumstances, but like I said, it suits most people. I would say probably a 9 out of 10. So it really is one of the better scooters on the market.